how to remove favorites on iPhone. Now if you want to remove favorites on iPhone, maybe your favorite contacts, right? All you have to do is you can just launch the phone application right from your home screen on your iPhone. Once you launch the contacts app, right at the bottom left you'll find the star icon that says favorites. You have to go to favorites, and here you'll see all the people that you've added to your favorite list. Now to remove them from your favorite list, all you have to do is look for the edit button from the top right and tap on it. Then just remove those person one by one by tapping on the minus icon and tapping on the delete button from the top right. And then you can repeat the process for pretty much everybody right here. You can tap the minus icon and tap the delete button to remove them from your favorites. And this way you should be able to remove favorites on iPhone. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.